Hello and welcome. In this episode of our series, we will explore a topic that's often overlooked, but vital to the long-term reliability and cost-effectiveness of data center infrastructure: harmonic distortion. Electrical disturbances within the system lead to tripped protection devices, overheating cables, server interference, and, over time, increased maintenance costs. That's where harmonic mitigation becomes critical, and Daikin has developed a truly elegant integrated solution that takes a lot of the usual complexity off the table. Now, I will outline 10 reasons why choosing Daikin's Active Harmonic Filter is an effective way to meet these requirements. Let's start from the core. The Active Harmonic Filter is cooled directly by the chiller's refrigerant. Unlike air-cooled filters, which are prone to performance degradation in dusty or hot environments, refrigerant cooling ensures consistent thermal stability. That means no dependence on airflow, no dust accumulation, and no drop in cooling performance. It's a smart way to eliminate one more point of failure, particularly in high temperature or polluted technical rooms. Now, turning to performance, the AHF ensures reliable operation even in extreme conditions, thanks to its robust thermal management system, which keeps the electronics within safe operating limits. Its refrigerant-based cooling design maintains low internal temperatures, reducing stress on components and extending their lifespan. With no fans to fail and no filters to clog, the risk of breakdown is significantly reduced, and there is no need for scheduled filter maintenance, an important advantage for data centers operating around the clock. And that leads us to longevity. Thanks to this robust design, you can expect an extended lifespan and a dramatically reduced risk of failure. There's no need to worry about cooling fans seizing up or thermal shutdowns. Over time, that translates into lower maintenance spend, fewer site interventions, and a better total cost of ownership. Now, let's talk about control and performance. The Daikin AHF is based on active front-end technology, maintaining a total harmonic distortion of current below 5% across a wide load range. This isn't just at full load, it holds even during partial operation, which is typical for data center chillers. That means predictable, stable current draw without overheating cables or corrupting signals to sensitive devices. What's more, it responds in real time to load changes without impacting your power factor. So, you can keep clean, smooth power quality even when your server loads fluctuate. It's dynamic but stable, exactly what engineers are after. Another key point, it's fully designed and built in-house by Daikin. That means it shares the same control logic, the same software environment, and the same reliability standards as the rest of the chiller. You avoid all the integration problems you'd face with third-party filters, and your service agreements remain unified. And here's something facility managers love. The AHF is mounted directly inside the chiller's electrical panel. That means no need for extra space, no external cabling, and no separate electrical protection devices. You're not chasing suppliers or coordinating extra commissioning teams. It's all pre-integrated, tested, and ready to go. To be more specific, when designing or retrofitting a data center, every square meter counts and every hour of on-site work has a cost impact. A compact integrated solution helps optimize the available layout, leaving more room for revenue-generating IT equipment. At that point, eliminating additional wiring simplifies installation, reducing potential points of failure. That makes a big difference in practice. Commissioning is faster, logistics are simpler, and overall installation costs come down. So, to sum it up, Daikin's refrigerant-cooled AHF is a compact, reliable, and high-performance solution that not only improves power quality, but also reduces maintenance, simplifies design, and enhances the long-term reliability of your critical infrastructure. Thank you for your attention.